This chicken soup relieves all your cold and also it is great during cold winter days. It doesn't have a lot of spices, but it tastes amazing. Try this chicken soup once and you will never go back for any other chicken soup recipe.
Hello guys, welcome back to Instant Mom. This is Janani. Today let's go ahead and make an easy Indian style chicken soup recipe that is super easy to make and also fills your heart and tummy. Before getting started, please do subscribe Instant Mom for easy instant pot recipes.
To make this chicken soup, first let's go ahead and make a base paste for this. Take an instant pot, select the saute mode, set the temperature to medium and click on start. I am using level 4 custom saute mode in my Instant Evo Plus. When the instant pot is hot enough, add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but sesame oil works great for this recipe. When the oil is hot enough, add 25 pieces of shallots or small onion. If you don't have shallots, you can also use big red onion. It should weigh around 100 grams. And then add 12 pieces of garlic. It weighed around 50 grams. Add 4 big pieces of ginger. It weighed around 30 grams. Add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Add 3 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon of whole black pepper. You can adjust the pepper according to your spice level. Add a handful of curry leaves. Do not skip any of the ingredients. Each and everything gives flavor to this chicken soup. Saute everything in the oil for 3 to 4 minutes. Once it gets sauteed for 3 to 4 minutes, add it to a blender, add half a cup of water and then grind it into a fine paste. Can you see the consistency of this paste? It should be very fine. We are done with the preparation. Now let's go ahead and cook this chicken soup. Again, wash the inner base of the instant pot, select the saute mode, set the temperature to medium and click on start. I am using level 4 custom saute mode in my Evo Plus. When the instant pot is hot enough, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. You can use any oil of your choice. When the oil is hot enough, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Wait for the mustard seeds to pop up. And then add 6 chopped shallots. You can also use 1/4 cup of chopped red onion. Add 4 to 5 curry leaves, 2 red chilies, and then 1 small tomato or 1/4 cup of chopped tomato. Saute everything in the oil for 1 minute. Today I am using 1 whole hard chicken. It weighed around 3 pounds or 1.3 kilograms roughly. You can also go ahead and use normal chicken if you want. Now add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Add salt as per your taste. Today I am using 2 tablespoons of sea salt. Now go ahead and saute this chicken for few minutes without adding water. Close it with a lid and then let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. The chicken will release its own water. Now you can go ahead and add the prepared paste. Mix the paste with the chicken. And then close it again and let it sit for 1 minute. Finally, add 5 cups of water. This 5 cups of water is for 3 pounds of chicken. If you have lesser quantity of chicken, you can reduce the water. And if you have more chicken, you can go ahead and add more water. Just adjust the consistency according to your taste. Now close the instant pot, select the pressure cook mode. If you are using hard chicken, set the timer to 15 minutes. And if you are using normal chicken, set the timer to 5 minutes and click on start. Once it is done, wait for the pressure to release naturally and then open the instant pot. That's it. Our super delicious soup is ready. You can just add a handful of chopped coriander leaves and more black pepper powder if you want. I wish you guys can smell this chicken soup. It smells and tastes amazing. Just serve this chicken soup during cold days. It is more than a comfort food.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Try this chicken soup recipe at home and let me know how it turns out. Please like, share and subscribe Instamom for more instant pot recipes. Stay tuned, stay happy. Bye guys.